All right, so this is main point check number 3. The purpose of this main point check is to make sure that your main points are in complete sentences and that they have transitions. So once you know what example you're going to use for each of your yellow, red, reds, then the one challenge might be to actually put that yellow into a complete sentence. So this is from the mentor text, this paragraph we're looking at. This is just the Odyssey body paragraph because that's the only one we're working on right now. But the first thing you'll notice is that in each yellow we start with a transition. To begin, additionally, finally, right? So just like we've learned in the past, we want to make sure there is a transition either at the beginning or somewhere embedded in the main point sentence. And then you'll look. The purpose of each main point is to say the theme that I'm talking about is shown at this part. So this one says the theme is shown when Odysseus is shipwrecked. This one says Odysseus leaves Circe's palace, and that shows the theme. This one says the theme is shown when Odysseus sees his wife after 20 years. So each of your yellows is just briefly summarizing the moment you're about to discuss in the evidence sentence that comes after it. So the purpose of that main point is to tell your reader, like, hey, this is the part of the book I'm about to discuss. I'm about to talk about Circe's palace. So it provides a little bit of that context so that when they get the quote, they have a reference for where in the book you're talking about. Okay? So each one should be a complete sentence. You can always go with, transition, comma, the theme of blank, whatever your theme is, hospitality, strangers, whatever, is shown when, and then you describe what part of the book you're about to talk about. So the theme of this is shown when that. The theme of this is shown when that, right? Put a transition in there, and then you're good.